So the next step in the journey of the paper, it says you are a journalist writing an article about the job of a ski lift attendant as part of a series of interesting seasonal jobs for young people. In your article, you should explain what attracts visitors to Wanaka and why, describe what being a liftie involves, and what might appeal to young people about this job, suggest what someone might find challenging about working as a liftie, and useful advice for any young person considering applying for any job at the resort. Base your article on what you have read in Text C, but be careful to use your own words. Address each of the 3 bullet points. Now, this is a summative task. We are using our summary skills from question 1. We are using our comprehension skills from question 1. We are using our understanding of the different terminology and different words and why they are used in specific ways from question 2. We are using our understanding from question 2 of why someone writes in a specific way and how their role or the type of person they are will impact their writing style. You are a journalist. So if you are going to sound like a 14-year-old, then you are not going to get the marks here because you need to be a journalist. And so you need to be able to apply the understanding of how writers write things so that you can cosplay as a journalist. And so we need to see that you've got a good understanding of the content and you've got an understanding of writing. And so all reading, all information we consume should lead to some kind of output, some kind of creative output. And so here we are creating from what we've learned through this whole thing, because the exam takes us through a learning journey. So what we've learned through the whole thing, let's apply it now. Let's apply it with synthesizing the different components and now giving some kind of output, showing that we truly understand how writers create meaning, as we were looking at in question 2, by creating meaning ourselves in question 3. Looking at, we understand why a writer writes in a specific way, why they have a style. Now we're applying that style in question 3. Whatever style we need to have. So here we need to apply the style of a journalist.